Morning guys. Time check, 6:49 a.m. and I'm gonna start my day with a workout again. Today I'll be doing some back workout and probably some ab workout din. It's gonna be a long day today and we're planning to go to Binondo as well. Check out the place. I've never been to Binondo. Siguro gawa tayo ng food trip, but not too much. Just a little bit of everything para matikman natin yung mga pagkain doon. Kagabi, nasa PGC kami, nakita niyo yung vlog, and I had the chance to meet with my brother unexpectedly in BGC. So, naglalakad lang siya and nakita namin siya out of nowhere. What are the odds, right? Thousands of people going to BGC every day and makikita mo yung kakilala mo doon. That's just one in a million chances. But it happened. We had a very short chat and took some pictures together. I'm planning to meet him. We given the chance kung hindi siya busy kasi nagtatrabaho siya dito sa Manila in BGC. So kung may time, hindi siya busy and available din ako, we'll try to meet. It's just a normal day for me here in Makati, starting my day with a good workout. And I'm on fasting. Mamaya pa ako kakain siguro by lunch. We need to control our calories, guys. If we keep on eating, yung workout natin baliwala yun. So dapat 80% you need to watch out what you're eating and 20% yung workout. So yung workout for me, madali siya kasi I have the dedication. Pero yung pagkain, yun yung mahirap para sa akin because I love eating. But I always try my best to really control what I eat as much as possible. I follow a calorie deficit, which is very effective for me. I already lost roughly around 10 kilos. And since I'm on fasting later, I'm excited for lunch. Kasi plano namin pumunta sa Friends and Neighbor, just located here in Makati. Nakita ko tong vlog na to sa Chef JP Anglo. Shout out to you, sir. Sabi niya, isang institusyon na to dito sa Makati. Para siyang karinderya, which if I remember correctly, they're from Bicol. So it's gonna be a Bicol cuisine. Let's check out the place. Malapit lang to dito sa hotel. Just 12-15 minutes away. And doon na kami magla-lunch. So yun lang. I'm about to start my workout. See you in 1 hour. Tara guys. Let's start the routine. Stretching muna tayo. That's how it is. Hi guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-workout. Took me about close to an hour. So active calories burn around 400. So goods na ako dun. Usually mark ko around 350 to 400. Pag na-hit ko yung mark na yun, okay na ako. Kasi mag-steps pa naman ako mamaya eh. Another calorie burning yun. So right now, nag-chill lang ako dito sa rooftop balcony. Yan yung view ko. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Again, this means a lot to me. Kahit simpleng like lang, simpleng comment lang, or kahit views lang. I know na di pa ako maabot ng sobrang daming views, like thousands of views. But 100, 200, 300, that means a lot to me. And I wish you well all the time. I wish you good health. Stay blessed. And I hope you're having an amazing day. Update lang guys, baalis na kami ng hotel. First stop is Friends and Neighbors Restaurant. So let's check out the place and kakain na din kami ng lunch. So time check now, it's around 11:45 p.m. So as per Google, it's just around 15 minutes ride papunta doon. So mamaya kukuha ko ng clips and pakita ko sa inyo yung lugar. So stay tuned. Dito na kami ngayon guys sa Friends and Neighbors Restaurant. Nakita nyo yung lugar kanina. So in order namin is pinakbet. We also ordered their famous dish, Bicol Express. And then labopes. And just paired it with Coke Zero. So basically that's it, dalawang rice. Yun na yung lunch namin. Galing ako ng fasting for 16 hours. And this is gonna be my first meal. Yung lugar niya, very straightforward. Pumasok ko, just a few steps diretso sa counter, ando yung ulam. Carinderia Center, but this is a restaurant. I'm excited to taste their food, especially yung Bicol Express kasi nga Bicol authentic dish yung ino-offer nila for 50 years guys. Stay tuned, mapakita ko mamaya yung tips ng order namin sa Tosa. Salamat po kuya. This is the Lopez. This is the Bicol Express. Then pinakbet. And then may libre silang sabaw. Mainit na sabaw. And then of course, yung kanin. Kain muna kami guys. And I'm gonna enjoy this food because crave ako ng lutong bayan. It's gonna be a perfect food for me. Guys, makatapos ko lang kumain. Sarap. Nabusog ako. Ubos guys. Walang natira. Vertigo, masarap guys. I would recommend this place if you're in Metro Manila or if you're in Makati and you're just trying to find a good lunch place na authentic yung luto, Bicolano. Ito yung pwede kong ma-recommend. Thank you Chef JP for vlogging this and doon ko nalaman yung lugar na to. Hi guys, update lang. Nandito kami ngayon sa The Great Buddha Cafe. Just sa taas ng Empitin store. May restaurant dun. So, palamig kami muna dito. Drinking calamansi juice, guys. Ang init guys, galing kami ng Ongpin Street kanina. Grabe yung tao. Hustle and bustle talaga. Pero okay lang. Kung pupunta kayo dito ng Binondo, dala kayo ng towel. Very helpful din. Tubig din to hydrate kasi madi-dehydrate ka talaga dito sa init. Pawis na ako, pero okay lang. Go lang ng go guys. So, ang order namin dito is just the siomai. Kasi gusto namin umihi. So, order na tayo ng siomai. So, tikpan natin yung siomai nila dito. Sabi ni Kuya, yun yung best seller nila. Dumating na yung order guys, yung siomai natin. Tikman natin to. Decent size naman yung siomai nila. Wala kung masarap. Without the sauce muna. Sarap guys. Ito yung with the sauce guys. Masarap guys. Bravo! Ito yung sauce. Dito tayo ngayon sa Dongbei Dumpling Station in Binondo. Isa to sa mga sikat na dumpling food trip dito sa Binondo. So yung in-order ko is called Kuchay pork dumpling. So tikman natin to guys and sabihin ko sa inyo kung sarap po. Regular dumpling, plain taste. Kung nag-diet ka, pwede ito. Okay lang, sarap na ito. Sa Lord's Toast Bakery. Ito na yung sikat na egg tart nila. Tikman natin. Ang forma niya. Social na egg tart to. Tamang tamis. Yung crunch na sa labas. Napakasarap. Sarap to.
pesos. So I think good for tuna to. Tingnan natin without the sauce muna. Ito yung sauce niya. May kasama. I think this is sweet and spicy sauce, I guess. So, para siyang fresh lumpia. Sa bite without the sauce muna. Taste ng peanut, veggies, carrots. So medyo healthy ito guys. Ito yung laman niya. Ito yung laman niya. Sarap. I would recommend this. So yung kanina yung mga video na hindi ko nasabi na I will recommend this. Ibig sabihin hindi masarap. It's just that hindi naman ako food vlogger guys. So pinapakita ko lang yung kinakain. Honest review. Doon na ako ng sauce. Masarap. Mas madating yung may sauce guys. Para siyang salad in a wrap, bursting with flavors sa bunganga mo. So, come visit Buhing Lumpia. Fresh nyo lang sa Google kasi ako din naguluhan ako. Bestseller nyo kuya? May lemon. Yun yung bestseller nyo? Sige kuya, yun yung may lemon. Isa lang po. Tikim lang kami, tikim. Salamat po. Salamat po. Last stop guys, pampatulak. Ang daming kinain kanina. So kailangan natin liquids. So ito I love Wongkei. Ito yung brand niya. Sugarcane juice. I've never tried sugarcane juice before. It's the first time. So cheers. Ito yung best seller nila with lemon. Sarap. Sarap pa rin sugarcane. Malasa mo talaga yung lemon blending with the sugarcane juice. Sarap guys, pampaninig sa mainit na panahon dito sa Ongping Street sa Binondo. Perfecto for the weather dito. Salamat kuya. Yeah. Finally, nakauwi na guys. So it was 1 hour drive from Binondo to Privato Hotel in Makati. Nakakapagod, but it was a fun day. So I had the chance to experience Binondo's best food, yung sugarcane juice, yung dumplings, yung siomai, yung fresh lumpia. Sarap guys. Very unique, distinct taste that they're offering to the people. Ngayon, maligo muna ako sa pool. So ito yung view ko ngayon. Yan. I have the pool area all for myself. I guess it's around 4:30 or 5 p.m. right now. Meron pala akong take out na engbitin na hopya. Kasi sabi ko kakainin ko yun sa hotel na. So which is right now. So maligo muna ako sa pool. Chill kami dito. A simple date at the rooftop from our hotel stay. Tikman ko na guys yung hopya. This is ube flavor. Engbitin. Yan. Sarap guys. Namiss ko to. Isa to sa mga best seller nila. This is 63 pesos. Isang pack and then 4 yung laman. Perfecto for pasalubong. Pero may binibenta naman to guys sa mga grocery meron. So hindi nyo kailangan pumunta ng Binondo to buy this. Kasi naalala ko dati sa Cebu, sa Quezano, may binibenta ng ganito. Harap. Last bite. Ngayon guys, maliligo na talaga ako. It's time. Papakita ko muna sa inyo yung view dito. Up top, ganda ng view dito guys. Which is sunset. What a nice view. You don't see that every day. Yan yung pool. So I guess 4 or 5 feet to. Malinis naman.